Let's talk about this horrific incident that's come to light from Jalandhar. One woman has died while another is battling for her life after an accident in Punjab's Jalandhar. A speeding car mowed down the two women on the highway. The accused driver fled from the scene after the accident. The car allegedly belonged to a cop as per initial information. Now, angry locals blocked the highway after this accident.
This car was being driven by one of the police officer, as per the local eyewitness who has claimed that eyewitnesses say it was being driven by a police officer who was on the rank of sub-inspector. And look at the way in the CCTV footage the accident has taken place. One side we have seen these two girls who are trying to cross the highway, national highway from Jalandhar to Phagwara. At that time they were trying to take step forward, but immediately after they have seen that some of the cars were coming on that highway, they had taken one step back. But despite taking back, we have seen that this high-speed vehicle had rammed into them and they were taken to the hospital. And one of the girl who was come to injury while taking to the hospital, and the other is battling for the life. And what we are picking up from there, the locals, they held a protest there. They blocked the highway, demanding immediately action against him, because one of the locals, he has seen that the police officer who was driving the car a few meters away, he was trying to take off all the clothes which had been stuck on the tires of that vehicle. And that was the stunning and surprising factor when the police was present there, why the action was not taken. And moreover, the locals say that the police is responsible for saving the life of the people, but in this case the police officer was involved and he did not even stop the vehicle, he did not even help the victims who had met with this accident, and because of his high-speed vehicle. So a lot of questions are being raised over the police officials, and what we are picking up from the local police officer, they say that vehicle has been identified and an investigation will be taken forward. But once they are going to take all the details, now the police officers who are deployed there, they are under the scanner. Their role is under the scanner. They say the locals say that it seems that they were trying to defend the police officer, and that's why the immediate action was not taken. Why they had allowed him to run away from the spot, that is the question which the locals are saying, and that was the resentment with the local people, and that's why they held a protest. They blocked the highway. Now let's see that whether the Punjab police is going to take action against his own officer, or they are trying to defend him, or they are trying to save him. So these are the questions which are being raised by the locals, and that was one of the reasons why the protest was held there.